Well, my wing, my model airplane wing is starting to come together. It's starting to look like a model airplane wing. Again, after some major damage, but what I wanted to show you is I had this weak spot here where this was broken. This was this aileron here was broken right there all the way in two. And so what I did was I glued it back together. And I was planning on using epoxy or Z-epoxy and fiberglass cloth. But I found this on the internet. I didn't buy it. I had it in the house, but it's what you use on sheetrock. And I had it in my drawer. I've used it on sheetrock in the garage. And I'm not sure offhand whether it's fiberglass cloth, but I think it is fiberglass. Fiber. It says so on the inside, fiber tape. Okay, so some kind of fiber, probably fiberglass. And so what you do, and it's got adhesive. It's got adhesive on one side, okay? That's a big deal. Because you cut it to whatever shape you want. Okay, and then you put it on there, and then you put your epoxy on there, and away you go. So I did it on both sides, and when it solidifies, it will be hard as a rock. Okay, and it's got all those little holes in it, so the epoxy can go down in all those little holes. So that'll work perfectly. It was really a lot easier to work with than fiberglass cloth.